Hi, this is Phoenix Genesis for PhoenixGenesis.com and our two YouTube channels, Phoenix Genesis and Frag Camp with Merlin the Cat. So I want to show you, toss out your smart water bottle. Don't take it hiking. It's too heavy. So look at this. Let's weigh a smart water bottle. Here's a smart water bottle. It is 41 grams. And that comes to 1 3/8 ounces. We'll go back to our grams again. And this is 33.8 fluid ounces for the smart water bottle. Now, here's what I like instead. Same exact weight, and I'm going to, of course, have more weight when I take the label off, but I'm leaving the label on to show you. This is my favorite Arrowhead Mountain Spring water bottles. I also carry the half-liter ones because they're collapsible, and they were great last year on my Sobo PCT. So this is 33.8 fluid ounces, the same thing. And look how much this weighs. This weighs 20 grams. And if you want to go here, this is 3/4 of an ounce, 20 grams. And once again, weigh Mr. Smart water bottle, and that comes in at 41 grams. So look at two of these little babies right here equals one of those. So why would you carry that? Again, you know, maybe you're not a gram weenie or, you know, amazing, and you can just carry like 75 pounds on your back and not feel it. I can't, so why carry that extra weight? That extra grams could be a protein bar or, you know, a banana, some little snack you want, some electrolyte hydration packs, you know, something else you would need, a bandana, a buff. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoy that. Phoenix Genesis. See you on the trail for Pacific Crest Trail 2019. Bye.